everyone, welcome. Today I'll be looking at the hand grip. Just gonna review it real quick and show you guys what this is all about. And I bought this off Amazon for $8, $7.99, free shipping. And I can't find this brand, Instant. Can't find it, but I'll have some compatible hand grips down below in the description for you, so you can go check it out. And they will be Amazon affiliate links, which help support the channel. Whoops, I think that was my book, sorry about that. But anyways, I love using this thing. It's great. Clips in there pretty solid. Whoops, I think I got it the wrong way. I want to throw it in like that and not damage the trigger buttons. And it clips on. And it works just great. I really like the feel to it. So let's take a closer look at this hand grip. And it just wraps around perfectly. There. Gives you enough space here to mess with the trigger buttons. And it wraps around beautifully. And there's the camera. Very nice. And it has this, like, kind of this leather texture to it. I'm glad they did that. Gives it more of a grip instead of just, you know, plastic, just standard flat plastic. And there's also these little tabs that pop out. So these little guys pop out just like that. And you just go like this. And I'll use it, I guess, as a stand. So yeah, it works great as a little stand. And I have my PS4 controller here, all connected and ready to go. And I do have zombies running. Oops, there we go. And it works pretty smooth. And I'm really liking this setup because I could just, while I'm getting a video done or something, rendering, I can just stick to this. But one of the issues is that it doesn't like to stay up completely. So you have to make sure not to mess with it too much. So let's just move that, and I'll do a little bit of gameplay. And just show you guys how it stands up the console. Pretty good. So it's like a 2-in-1 hand grip. And I want to do more of these accessories for the PSP and PS Vita, so be on the lookout for more of these videos. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos. And yes, this is the ray gun. I finally got the ray gun in the mystery box. I hit it once on this round that I'm doing, and I got it right away. And that's basically the only good gun you could have in this if you want to get far. But you can see how smooth the gameplay is for Nazi Zombies on the PS Vita. It's running at a stable 16 frames. Very good. Alright, so let's pop these back in. And you push them from the top here. Kind of weird. The only thing I don't like about it is this part of the grip. It just looks really weird. It doesn't give it a nice clean look. There's enough space there in the corners for the lanyards, if you're into that sort of thing. So yeah, big fan of this hand grip. Doesn't hurt to have one of these laying around. It's pretty inexpensive to add to your collection, to your accessories for the PS Vita. And I wanted to share with you guys this cool little accessory. And I'll also talk about some other cool additional accessories you can have for your PS Vita. For example, like wireless earbuds, because this is a Bluetooth device, so it could accept those things as well. So yeah, that is the hand grip for the PS Vita 1000. So that is the PS Vita 1000 hand grip. And I'm really loving this. Love the feel. Love the price. and it works great. So that is it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions, comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.